Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, Entitled Woman Refuses to Comply During Traffic Stop by NY Detective.
September 23rd, 2025, while on patrol, an officer observed a driver not wearing a seatbelt and initiated a traffic stop.
Ma'am, get in the car. I'm legally stopping you. Get in the car.
Why?
Because you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's why I'm trying to talk to you.
I'm not. No.
All right. You're gonna.
No, we're not doing this.
Okay,
No.
relax.
What?
Relax 1 second, ma'am.
Excuse me, no.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Relax.
Why are you touching
Don't
me?
do this. Don't do this. Don't.
Move.
Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
Ma'am, put the baby
No,
down.
I'm not putting anything down.
Put
It's
the
my
baby-
child.
Tango 32, 1050, 40, 109, 30. Ma'am, stay here though. You're not leaving. You're not leaving.
She gotta be dumber than a box of rocks to think that she is gonna not get arrested for this, let alone get a citation for this shit. Like, why wouldn't you just comply? Instead, all you're doing is just racking up more charges, and then you're putting your children through unnecessary trauma.
You're not touching me with my baby. Knock on the door.
Stay here.
Why are you stopping me?
You're
I was pulling into my house, though.
You're gonna get arrested.
No, I'm not. I have to go to
You
work.
definitely are.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me with my baby. Don't touch me with my baby.
Did you just put your hands on me?
Don't touch me with my baby.
I'm just trying to get her ID. That's it. Back up.
Daddy.
Sir.
I don't know where he came from.
I don't want her to get her arrested. Just want to
Daddy,
give her a
I don't know where he came from. He just touched me with my baby.
No.
I don't know
it's
where
all on
he came
camera.
from.
I'm legally stopping her for her
Daddy,
seatbelt.
I was
Okay.
just
She's like, I'm not. You're not trying to do that. I do. I'm not trying to escalate this, but she puts my hands on me again. It's
You
gonna be a
put your hands on me with my child.
because you're not listening.
You touched me.
Okay.
He touched me. He pushed me. You didn't ask me for anything, Daddy.
Okay.
I was just.
All right, tell your daddy what you did, because you sat there and got your baby out the car seat when he told you to get back in your car. Can we talk about that?
Driving.
Okay.
I pulled in.
Do the right thing and shut up. Get him in your license.
He tired of her shit too.
No, he's not doing that.
If your baby wasn't here, this would have been very bad for you. Okay.
Let me get her. Get the dog, Ariel. The phone.
Who the f is you? You gonna pull up on me? I didn't even do anything.
Tango 32. Copy the tag.
Nowhere.
So, what?
Pull up
Breathe.
when I
Come
come
here.
in. You're gonna tell me don't
The
stop.
devil is busy. The devil. And you cussing the police.
It's
She
police.
had the baby in the seatbelt.
I put He said I wasn't in my seat. Oh, get your
This officer is very nice, by the way.
Just show me your license.
No.
Ma'am, you got your ID?
No.
You got your ID, ma'am?
I don't know
You got everything she choose to do?
Yeah, just take the baby. Take the baby.
No.
You stupid.
No.
You are
Ma'am,
damn stupid.
I'm telling you. Just stay here for a second.
Spoken like a true dad.
Ask him what happened.
All due,
was right.
all,
Okay, straight.
Here, guys, hear me out. All due respect, I'm gonna let her do her thing right now. If she goes inside, it's gonna be an automatic arrest. That's not fine. She's not wearing her seatbelt. Simple routine stop. If she refuses to, refuses, that's
He's bothering me.
Shut your ass up! Shit.
bothering me. I'm bothering her. Ma'am, you're not going inside. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. I promise you. Don't do this. Don't do this.
No, I'm
It's not
going in the house. Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna get.
I was on the street
Breathe.
right here.
Breathe. Get a man your license.
Tango 32 to the unit that just passed by. Just east.
Boy, my daddy would have started whooping my ass if I had one. Hey, boy. Actually, my mama. I was more scared of my mama than my pops. My mama would have started beating my ass with a belt with my baby in my hand. You hear me? My mama did not play that shit.
Give him your license. You ain't stupid. Get a man your
There's
stuff.
nothing wrong with your license.
Ain't nothing wrong with you. You clean. You never been in trouble before. Check out.
He's bothering me.
He ain't bothering
I'm
you.
bothering you. I'm
He's
bothering
not
you.
bothering. So I'm here. You ain't bothering
Ma'am,
her.
get over here. Get over here, though.
You see how this shit is?
The man just running your license.
Ma'am, stay over here now.
I feel sorry for her baby daddy.
All right.
Lord.
Go inside. Go inside. I hope you do. All right. I'm great. That's good. That's good.
That dumb ass. All of that for nothing. That you just dumb it in a box of rocks. Got the IQ of a fucking brick. Oh yeah, you going to jail? You did. You didn't take a lawful order. You didn't take heed to a lawful order, babe. Your ass going to jail. Sorry for yelling. She just pisses me off. She must have that effect on everybody.
Okay.
I pass by him. That's it.
Man, it's just a traffic stop. It's just a traffic stop.
The man ain't did nothing.
Well, he caught up to you and you
He
parked.
caught up to me when I was right here turning in and didn't turn his lights on. That's why I was confused.
There's nothing wrong with
He was
that.
not following me the whole time or nothing.
Okay.
He just went out of nowhere. So what? You gotta go to work and
Look at that. You look at her mama arms. You running her blood pressure up right now. Blood pressure, I'm sorry.
So what? He was pushing and shoving me while I was trying to get my baby out the car. So what?
You wasn't supposed to get out your car.
No, are you okay? No, are you okay? Shut up. Are you okay? No, it's not okay. It's not okay.
You don't want to listen. You just
I
don't want
don't
to
have to listen to you. I don't. That's the thing. I don't. I have free will. I don't have to listen to you.
There is
Free will to go to jail, cause that's what you going. That's where you going, babes.
free will.
Yes,
There is
there
free
is.
speech.
That's why you shouldn't be bothering me. Go bother somebody that's really doing something.
Okay.
We are so sorry.
I'm in here like listening to the word of God and like, what the heck? I don't know what's
You got to know how to listen.
Just be submissive. Just whatever.
Submit yourself to these people. They ain't doing nothing. The man ain't getting nothing to you. Man, if you disagree with the citation, you can take that to court, okay?
So what? If you get a citation.
Mind you, these cops are being super patient, cause I guess cause their parents are outside and they seem like good people. Me personally, yeah, yo, yeah, I ain't gonna say
He
that.
can't arrest you for nothing.
You bring it ain't that.
He was shoving me while I was
Listen.
getting the baby. Okay, well, when you go to court,
Well,
you
if he tell you to
that.
speak yourself still, be still. That's it. Simple.
The daddy got sense.
They got a job to do. That's it. They got a job to do. Okay, why don't you just do what he asked you?
Because it was unnecessary.
Okay, even if it was. Ma'am, listen. Let me try to explain to you. Listen to the man. Typically, when we pull someone over, okay, for officer safety, we want them to remain in the car, okay?
But I just feel like I didn't need to be remaining in the car because he wasn't pulling me over till I got right here. He put on his
It don't matter when he pulled you over. This is not your world. The world don't revolve around you, stupid.
getting out the car.
Ma'am, it's happened with you. Sometimes you don't catch up to the person. You're in the neighborhood, they get home, but you want them to stay in the car. You don't want people walking around, coming and going.
With me. I was getting
But
to my home so I could
Bree,
get out my car.
is they disrespecting you? No.
Yes, he did. He touched me.
Okay, but did you follow his order?
And then he gonna sit there and tell me I touched him. No, you touched me.
Ma'am, neither of us know you.
She
In the
needs
past,
some
we've had
milk.
cases where people pull up and they pretend to live somewhere to get out of getting a ticket. So sometimes,
That's probably what he thought. But
Okay.
I live here.
but we don't know that. So until we verify that, that's all it is.
Yeah, he
We're just
pulled
trying to
up right
conduct a
when I was
traffic
coming
stop.
right here.
We're just trying to.
If he would have stopped me back here, I would have stopped. I was trying to figure out why you wait till I get all the way to my house to put your lights on and tell me don't get out of my car where I live.
Man, so when we pull someone over, the first thing we got to do is we got to call it out on the radio. Sometimes the radio isn't clear. So until we can call it out on the radio, we're not allowed to turn our lights on, okay? So there's a whole procedure we go through that you may not be aware, but it's not we're not singling you out.
She don't care. She don't give a fuck about procedure anyway. Look, she don't follow no procedure. She don't even listen to her damn parents.
Or anything like that, okay?
Yes, he did because he was going another direction and turned around and come this way.
Maybe he witnessed a violation, okay?
He
I'm
did.
not him, I can't speak for him, but that's how these things work.
This got to be Florida.
Ray, it's not that. It's just doing what they tell you. If that man would have been gone right now, he would have been gone. And that's the thing. You have to submit. If you would have just shut your mouth. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. And what they saying, okay.
This how you know he stressed out. Dad just doing some random shit, just wiping the car down. He love that car, and she just over here just, oh my God.
Okay, what's to report, Ray?
W dad and mom.
Because you're not listening.
Yo, steak, all right?
But why you acting so ghetto?
All right. Nah. I tried not going this route with you, but you're very confused about what's going on here.
I am confused.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm not playing with you. Stop.
Black fatigue strikes again.
It's just so simple. She's calling you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Ma'am, what? Put your hands behind your back.
What's she going to jail for? What is she going to jail for?
Resisting arrest and not taking heed to a lawful order.
That, Leo.
Give me a second.
You're gonna get you're gonna get yourself. Just put your hands behind your back. Put your hands. Ma'am, look at her. She's resisting. That's what.
What is she going to jail for?
Battery on law enforcement.
Put that cootie cat up. I don't see that.
Stop! Brianna,
stop.
She ain't got no
Turn over.
Oh, no.
Turn over. Turn over.
Brianna,
Turn
why
over.
are you doing that?
Turn over.
She a little slow.
Where's her license?
I promise you, turn over. My arm. I know, it's not going to go well for you. I'm telling you, go. Roll up.
She's having a whole meltdown.
Other way. Other way.
No matter how much you try to resist, scream, cry, yell, kick, babe, it's done.
I don't want to hurt her.
She trying to keep a cootie cat. Yeah. If I was daddy or mom, I'd be doing the same thing because you over here acting a fool, got your chi all out. Like, nobody want to see that. We ain't even bringing no tartar sauce for the tuna tartar.
Brianna, why you do that? You did. You shouldn't have said that. I told you don't say nothing.
Go in the house.
Brianna, I told you.
Turn over. Turn over.
You ain't never been arrested, but now.
Turn over.
There's a first for everything.
Okay, you don't like me. He's
Everything. Everything.
Turn towards me.
No. Brianna,
Can we take someone in custody? Stand by.
just take it in the, put it in the front.
Ma'am, turn over, please. Ma'am, you got to back up.
Ma'am.
Back up.
I don't be mean to mama. Mama ain't finna hurt a fly.
Turn over. Turn over. I'm going to go to you.
Okay, come here. Turn over. Turn over.
I'm surprised nobody ain't tasing her ass.
Hey, grab the cuff from your knee.
Put your hand.
She been yelling and screaming. Who else could breathe when you fucking yelling and screaming and throwing a hissy fit like a 5-year-old? It wasn't even on her neck.
I don't care. They don't have to arrest
She
her.
did it to herself.
But what she getting arrested for?
Cause she mama, we see who the problem is. Mama is an enabler. I'm sorry, I can't even get my words out. Mama is an enabler. She think this type of is cool and it's not. I get that's your baby and whoop de whoop, but like, come on, we gotta call a spade a spade. Like, you acted a damn fool over a seatbelt violation. Do you know how minuscule a seatbelt violation is? Like, come on now.
Ma'am, stop.
She having a whole psychotic meltdown.
Ma'am, wait, I have you on your side, okay? All right, sit here. Sit to cut my damn mouth shut. Can you sit up, please?
I can't breathe though.
Sit up.
She got a machine in that
It's fine.
Ma'am, sit up.
I was way too lenient.
I know you were.
Simple stop.
She wouldn't shut her damn mouth. Sit up. You not just extra thing. She just out going crazy. Get her grab. Get her grab.
Get her thing.
I'm sorry for laughing, y'all.
Why y'all doing this for no reason? They follow me to the house for no reason
ma'am.
and then try to pull me when I was parked.
Ma'am, are you able to sit up?
I can't breathe.
Yeah.
Stop yelling and screaming.
Ma'am,
I never did.
ma'am, can you sit up for me? Okay. How we gonna get you up?
I don't know. I don't have on any under.
We're just going to stand you up.
She said she had to let that chi breathe.
3, 2, 1. Sit up.
Head to the car.
My clothes.
We'll get you your shoes, all right?
I didn't even do that. I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Hold on.
You got arrested because you don't know how to listen. Don't know how to be submissive, what your mama said.
It's gonna be all right. I'm getting arrested for that.
Yeah, 100%.
Dumber than a box of rocks.
I don't even know why I'm back here.
Have a seat in there, man.
Told you to shut your damn mouth. I told you to shut
I
up.
don't care. I still don't care.
Have a seat.
I just can't breathe.
Well, don't care in the back of a cop car.
Can y'all take this with her? We can't do that. Man, point your shoes enough.
You wear shorts?
She don't have any.
But Mom,
I need the name and the badges of everybody.
Yeah, can you put the shorts on her? Can you put your shorts on her?
Ma'am, I'm here right now with Sergeant Weissman.
Get in.
Okay?
Breathe.
Hold on,
You gotta understand. She's not a little kid. Back up.
I need to don't talk to her like that. Don't talk to her like that. Say what you want, pussy. Don't talk to my mama like that.
Oh God, what you gonna do with your hands behind your back in the back of a cop car?
Inside.
No, you.
Get inside.
Hey, Brianna.
Okay, we're done here.
Get in.
We're done here. We're done here.
Ma'am, get in the car.
Mommy, girl, you 30-something years old talk about some mommy? Oh no.
They're gonna give it to me. I want the name and then Is this? No, it's the. My daughter works for
Listen, it sounds like if she just cooperated for a simple
My
seatbelt.
daughter works for ICE. She's coming down from Pompano. She's gonna get her out.
Yeah, that's fine. You saw everything.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
happened.
She just won't listen, man.
I think some things were created here that were unnecessary, right?
It was very unnecessary. We're trying to be hard on her.
I don't want to give her a kid. I take you with kids here. You don't grab your kid out, so I can't do my job. You don't do that.
Just try to be a little lenient. We here, we see what happened. Things could have took another turn.
Well,
Let me call my lawyer.
See, it don't matter if you come from a good family, you got 2 parents in the household. If muff want to be a dumbass, they just gonna be a dumbass.
it's like 109th and
Yeah, 45th.
oh Jesus, what's her issue, dude? What's her issue?
She don't have-
Does she have anger issues? Honestly, because we're gonna have to put cuffs on her legs, put leg shackles. We're not putting. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. Do you want leg shackles on? You need to calm down. Why?
Oh yeah, she need a spit mask and she need to be hog tied immediately.
Is she bipolar, ma'am?
Man, I need to get her tested.
She was taken to a hospital after complaining of shortness of breath, and after being medically cleared, she was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and failure to wear a seatbelt. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out.